Okay, so I'm going to be doing a box opening on the Naturehike inflatable pad. I believe the model number is R3.5. Let's open it up and see what we got. Instruction manual, bag. Carrying bag. Pull this out. And there's the bag. Got a clip to help package it. Want to do that. Looks like it's the blow it, the place where you use to inflate it. Standard, pretty standard for your small pumps that you can buy for ultralight camping or hiking. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, so, okay. Okay, so it packed up pretty easily. Just it rolled up. Took a minute to roll it up, make sure all the air's out. But once you have, got it rolled back up, it'll fit back into the bag that you use to pump it up in pretty easily. And then you snap that back in place, and it fits in this bag pretty easy too. You don't have to fight to get it to fit. And I was able to fit the instruction manual and the patch kit in with it. So that's good. I want to say that this weighs 1.5 pounds, but I believe that's right. But I'm pretty sure it's 1.5 pounds. But when you look it up, you can be sure. So yeah, I mean, not bad. I like it so far. We'll see how it does on trail.